We are heading towards the southeastern region of France. This ride will take you from Alpe d'Huez to Briançon via Col de Sarenne and Col du Galibier. The French Alps have a different pace. They stretch across southeastern France, forming a natural border with Switzerland and Italy. They extend from Lake Geneva in the north to the Mediterranean coastline in the south. In the middle you will find Alpe d'Huez. Alpe d'Huez is famous for its 14-kilometer climb with 21 legendary hairpins, and a key climb in the Tour de France with an elevation gain of 1,071 meters. The first 2 kilometers are the steepest, with a gradient of 11%. The gradient then stabilizes around 8% for most of the climb. The final few kilometers are slightly easier at around 6% increase. The village is located at an altitude of 1,860 meters. Continue through the village and head towards Col de Sarenne. This breathtaking mountain stretch is one of the best kept secrets in the French Alps. Take a break at Lake Chambon for a surreal view of a deep blue mountain lake. Follow the Romanche River, a stunning glacier-fed river snaking through the Oisans Valley. The road narrows, with steeper gradients and increasingly epic mountain views. The scenery on the climb towards Col du Galibier remains wild and scenic. This saddle plateau is located at 2,050 meters. Arriving at the top, you will find a popular rest spot with cafes and panoramic views. It is the gateway to Col du Galibier. This final climb is legendary and one of the most famous roads in both motorcycling and the Tour de France. The summit at 2,642 meters is one of the highest paved roads in Europe. The Tour de France have been won and lost on this climb. Head back down to enjoy Col du Galibier in reverse. This descent is thrilling. You drop nearly 600 meters over just a few kilometers. We head towards Briançon, reconnect with the D1091, and head east. This section treats you with sweeping bends and epic valley views. Dramatic cliffs on the left, river valleys on the right, with occasional alpine villages. The ride concludes when arriving in Briançon. The city is a UNESCO-listed historic fortress city with a mix of French and Italian influences. A perfect place to spend some time and relax. And there you have it, the ride from Alpe d'Huez to Briançon. Follow Ride with me for more motorcycle routes around the world. Ride safe.